Hello students, let's start. Class 4, Subject EVS, Chapter 9. Chapter name The Food We Eat. Topic Food from Animals. Today we will talk about the food that we get from the animals. Normally everybody is familiar with this topic and I am sure all of you are also. Even we have to just revise it in very short. We also get food from animals. Several dairy products are made from milk. Normally the maximum part of the food we are getting from the plants, but even we are getting the food from the animals also. Normally people make the pets, the domestic animals, use the domestic animals to get the food from them. These are the dairy products that made from the milk. All of you know that milk, curd, paneer, butter, ghee, all these are the materials which are in the category of the dairy products, which we make from the milk, and milk we get from the animals. And even that we also eat the flesh of the animals. The people who are non-vegetarians, they eat the flesh of the animals also, and we get eggs also. So animals are also giving us a big part of the food which we are using in our daily life. Now, farming. Farming is a very familiar topic with all of you, since maximum students, all of you are belong to the villages, so all of you are very familiar with this topic. And not even only the people, those who are living in the villages should be familiar with it. Everybody must be familiar with it, because it is a very important part of our life, because we are getting the food from this activity. As the result of the farming, we are getting the food. So everybody must know about it and understand the importance of this acts. The food that we get from plants is grown by the farmers. The food materials which we are getting by the plants, that are being grown by the farmers. Farmers are the person who do the work of the farming. They took the responsibility to provide the food to the whole countries, the whole people, by the activity of this farming. Farmers plant the seeds in the field after ploughing the land and making soil suitable for cultivation. Farmers use the seeds in their field after the activity of the ploughing, by which they can make the land suitable the soil for the cultivation. By the activity of this ploughing, they make the soil suitable for the cultivation. Ploughing is done with a plough which is pulled by a tractor or by bullocks. Ploughing is the activity which is done with the help of the plough or by a tractor, by the bullocks. Plough is an appliance that is used in the farming to dry up the soil, to take it out, to make it leveled by the use of tractor of the bullocks. Manure and fertilizers are added to the soil to increase its fertility. Manure and fertilizers, these are the two things that mixes in the soil and improves the category of it, makes it fertility, give it nutrients for the plants. Then the soil is leveled to make the surface even. After the adding of manure and fertilizers, the farmers level the soil to make it surface even, the same parallel to whole ground. The seeds have to be planted in the right season. After the soil leveled, it is right to understand the seeds planted, and it is also important to choose the right season, because all of you know the different weather is in our country, so different type of soils are also, and in different soil different type of plants can be grown. So it is must to know the farmers that which seed is to be grown in which season. The farmers water the growing plants regularly and spray them with pesticides to avoid damage to the crops. Farmers water the growing plants. Water the growing plants, this activity is irrigation. Irrigation is very important, because in which the plants get the sufficient amount of water to be grown properly. and they give the waters also, and then they spray them pesticides. Pesticides is a type of chemical, is a type of medicine that helps the plants to be safe from the pests. Pests or insects that attack on the crops to make it damage. To avoid it, farmers use the pesticides. They spray it on the crops. By the help of pesticides, the crops get safe from the attack of the pests. Finally, when the crop is ripe, it is harvested. When the crop is ready, it is matured, then it is harvested. The plants are cut down, the crops are cut down, and they collect the seeds from it. The farmer separates the seed from the plants. During this process of harvesting, they use the machines. Different type of machines are being used in the different type of steps. And after this step, they separate the seeds from the plants. The process from sowing to harvesting takes about 4 to 6 months. By this statement, you can understand how the farmers are doing the hard work, how they are taking the patience for waiting their crops to be produced in a right amount, in a right way. It is taking the 4 to 6 months from the sowing to harvesting. Sowing the seeds to be the mature of the crops, to be cut down it, that is the total duration is 4 to 6 months. After harvesting, it is packed in sacks and loaded on a truck for selling in the nearest market. When it is ripe, it is harvested, then it is packed in different type of sacks and the packets, and then it is loaded on a truck or the vehicle for selling in the nearest market. They load it on the truck or the other vehicle and set it in the market for the selling and to get the price against it. Some seeds are kept by the farmers to plant in the next season. During all this happen, when everything is now completed, the farmers kept the seeds to use it for the next season also. So these were the points that were related to the farming. If you will notice, if you will watch with your parents, watch your elders, you will get all these steps at your home also. So give your time to your parents and you will be more understanding with it in that activity.